There's an opportunity in every window. A view connecting in here to an entire world of out there. So start your day opening the window to your weather with AMHQ. Watch Jim Cantori, Stephanie Abrams, and Jen Carfagno looking out at the stories and the science behind your forecast. Open up your mornings with AMHQ on the Weather Channel.
A winter weather advisory is in effect. Currently in our area, 25 degrees with snow showers. Tonight, wintry mix of precipitation, low 25, 1 to 3 inches of snow and ice expected. Thursday, morning clouds followed by afternoon sun, high 51. Here's our 7-day outlook.